Let's learn some colors. Red color, pink color, blue-green color, green color, purple color, sky blue color, brown color, yellow color, blue color, red purple color. Let's learn alphabets. A, the missing letter is B. C. The missing letter is D. E. The missing letter is F. G. The missing letter is H. I. The missing letter is J. K. The missing letter is L. M. The missing letter is N. O. The missing letter is P. Q. The missing letter is R. S. The missing letter is T. U. V. W. The missing letter is X. Y. The missing letter is Z. Let's learn some numbers. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. If you love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Watch the next video.